Hello everyone, this is Scott of ET Database, and I just wanted to say found a few items, seashell, some faces on Mars, all of them next to the Mars Spirit rover, which is kind of interesting to me. Here is a head, if you can see it right here, eye, nose, upper lip, lower lip, chin, neck. This area looks like an area that plugged into the neck or shoulder area of a statue. And on the top of the head is a fin, which is really cool. It's like, you know, some prehistoric dinosaurs and such had these little fins on top of their head, sort of like a horn, but maybe it's used for defense or something. Well, this seems to have it too, which is kind of cool. In this photo, there seems to be a seashell and some faces in there, which is kind of cool. I can't go any lower, I'm sorry. There's a face up here, two eyes, nose, mouth, eye, nose, mouth, chin. Looks like an ear. This area would be like part of the ear. So that's kind of cool. But this is what really intrigues me, is this seashell over here. There should not be a seashell there, unless of course this is or was once part of the ocean, ancient sea life or such, which is very possible, but then again there's a lot of crustaceans that live on the land and never actually touch the water at all, so it's hard to say, I guess, with Mars life, isn't it? But that's one I found, and I got this in a closer photo. Let's check this out a little bit. Oh, a further away photo. And this is it. This is the full photo. The detail's not as nice, not as comfortable for me. I just don't like it as much. But the detail's still there, and it's still in another photograph. And it looks like there's some other things, but as you see, really, the focus is horrible on all of these, but mostly these. The closer up version is much, much better. We can really see a lot more detail in this one than we could in the others. So I really like this one a lot, and I'll give you the URLs to all these photos in just a second. What do you think about that, though? That really looks like a face to me. And if they're making sculptures, if they're making buildings, if they're making designs, statues, they're going to use the local materials, and it looks like they really did. The local materials are these blackish kind of rock material. Perhaps it's made from the sand, some kind of mixtures that makes a clay-like cement or something. But whatever it is, it looks pretty cool to me. But my favorite of all is this photo. And you can really see quite a bit of detail here. And even if I put it in a negative format, let me hit negative format, you can still see the object is one piece. It's all one piece. The nose is here, the upper lip is here, the lower lip is here, sorry about that, and the eye, you can see the eyeball area is quite focused. Let's see if I can darken this a little bit. Okay, cancel that. But there is some kind of sand or shadow here on this part of the mouth. It's not a hole or gap. It's just some material that has blown on it over the years. So that's just pretty amazing. I didn't notice this ridge on top of its head until now, though. That is really crazy strange, isn't it? That is really cool. But it really does look like this is a piece that plugged into a hole on the shoulders of another statue. So this statue might have been made into many sections, and weird. Let me try to add a little bit more darkness to this. Doesn't really help too much, does it? It looks like there's a face here, but maybe not. But the material around it totally doesn't seem to match the face and everything itself. So I wonder where the rest of this is. Perhaps you guys can find it. I'll put the URLs in the about section below. Let's take a look at the original photos on the NASA website. Okay guys, this is the website I got the information from, and you'll see it's Mars Spirit Rover Sol 1355, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then there's another one way down here, 8. And so that's kind of cool. The photos are kind of small. If you click on the photo, you see it's very, very small. So you do have to take it and enlarge the photo, as I'm doing right here in front of you, so you can see me adjust the size. And I'll just increase it by double, and then close it, save it, let it increase its size, and now it's much bigger, as you see. Adjust its size again because I just need it to be a little bit bigger for making this video. And now when I click on it, it is as you see, much bigger, and you can see the seashell object. You can see the face a little bit. You can't see the other stuff, but it's kind of cool. So it's in a couple photos. It's in this next one also over here, and I'll put the links in the about description. Here is the one that's really mind-boggling. Is this one? It's just crazy cool, and is really obvious evidence of an alien culture. Okay guys, like and subscribe. I'll make more videos for you very soon.